Hello, children. How are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So, children, as you all know, that today this is our online English literature class, and today we are going to do chapter number 3, that is Hasmina's Kite. And you all know that these days we are doing our revision work. So, this is our revision number 3 which we are going to do today. So children, first of all, as you all know, I will explain the story in short, and then after that we will do our revision exercises. So are you all ready, children? Very good. So as you all know, this story is about two kids, one whose names are Hasmina and Saif, okay, and they lived in Ajanta apartments. They both of them liked kites, okay, उनको kites उड़ाना बहुत पसंद था. So they one day they went to buy kites with their father. वो अपने पापा के साथ kite shop पे kite खरीदने के लिए गए. Okay, then next what happened, children? In the kite shop, हस्मीना ने कौन सी काइट पसंद की? हस्मीना बॉट द रेड काइट विद ब्लू टेल. एक रेड कलर की काइट ली थी जिसमें ब्लू टेल था. एंड सैफ बॉट अ ब्लू काइट विद येलो टेल. सैफ ने कैसी काइट ली थी? जिसमें ब्लू काइट थी और उसकी येलो टेल थी. एंड दे बोथ आस्क्ड देयर फादर that where they can fly kites, when they can fly kites. Okay, so their father replied that you can fly the kites tomorrow, next day in the evening. Okay, so both of them were very happy to fly the kites. And next evening what happened, children? As you all know, they both, Hasmina and Saif, went to the roof next evening. Okay, next evening Hasmina and Saif went to the roof with their kites, but suddenly they stopped at the stairs. And you know why they stopped at the stairs? Because they saw Sharma ji at the top of the roof. शर्मा जी कौन थे? उनके एक नेबर थे, बट he was both of them were very frightened of him, so that's why they stopped there. But how was Sharma ji, children? Do you remember? He was an old man with a bent nose. Okay, Sharma ji कैसे थे? बहुत बूढ़े आदमी थे. He was an old man and his nose was bent. He used to wear black glasses. Okay, he wore black glasses also. And next what happened, children? At that time he was walking up and down on the terrace. Is that clear? I hope you all are getting the story. You all remember the story. So he was walking up and down on the terrace, and he was looking all over the sky, that all over the children were flying kites. Many children were flying kites from other apartments also. So one boy who was flying the kite from the next building, next apartment, from the name of the next apartment was Skyline Apartments. Okay, you remember? So that tall boy was very naughty. He was flying kites, but he did not want anybody to fly kites with them. Okay, while the children were flying kites, Sharma ji watched the black kite. And why did he watch the black kite? Because black kite was of that tall boy. Okay, and the tall boy first cut down the kite of Saif. Okay, Saif जो kite उड़ा रहा था वो kite तो उसने काट दी थी. Then next what happened, children? When Hasmina was flying kite, so the tall boy tried to cut her kite also. So Sharma ji came forward and he helped Hasmina. How he helped Hasmina? Hasmina gave her kite to Sharma ji and he helped Hasmina, and the black kite fell down. He was very good at flying kites, so the black kite of the tall boy fell down, and the children were very happy and they cheered. And suddenly Sharma ji became a good friend of both of them. Okay, so this was all in this story, children. I hope you all have understood this story very clearly, And now children, as you all know that we will be doing our revision exercises, so that we will do in our, as you all know that revision exercises we will do in our revision notebook. Okay, so are you all ready? So very good children, take out your revision notebook. And now children, in your English revision notebook, what you will do first, as you all know, you will write down today's date, that is 26/5/2021. And children, I hope that you all have completed your revision work till yesterday, which I gave you of chapter number 2. And those who have not completed, so please make sure that you complete all your revision part 1, then 2, and then you will start with revision number 3. Is that clear? So in the first line you will give the heading chapter number 3, Hasmina's kite. Okay, in the next line you will give the heading revision number 3. Now next, again, as you all know that today we are going to do exercises A, B in this video, and C and D exercises we will be doing in our part 2 video. Okay, so for A and B exercises are of word meanings and fill in the blanks. Then B and C and D exercises will be of who said the following and question and answers. Okay, so are you all ready for that? Very good. First of all, we are going to do part A, which is word meanings. Okay, so number 1 word is frightened. Frighteneed, frightened. And what is the meaning of the word frightened? Scared. That means darna. So here we will write down SCARED, scared. Okay, then number 2 word is lovely. LOVELY, lovely. So what is the meaning of the word lovely? Meaning is pretty. PRETTY, pretty. Is that clear? And in the last, I have given only 3 word meanings which are important for this chapter. So the third word is cheered. CHEERED, cheered. That means shouted with joy. SHOUTED, shouted. WITH, with joy. JOY, joy. Is that clear? So again I am repeating all the 3 word meanings, children. Listen to it carefully. Number 1 is frightened, and the meaning of the word frightened is scared. Number 2 word is lovely, and the meaning of the word lovely is pretty. Number 3 word is cheered, and the meaning of the word cheered is shouted with joy. Is that clear? I hope you all have understood these 3 word meanings. Now from the next line only we will start with our next exercise, that is part B. Fill in the blanks. Okay, so are you all ready for your next exercise? Very good. So your number 1 sentence is Hasmina and Saif lived in dash apartments. Hasmina और Saif कौन से apartments में रहते थे? We have to write that name. So the name of their apartments was Ajanta Apartments. So you will write here AJANTA, Ajanta. Is that clear to you all? Now coming to the next sentence, Sharma ji stopped walking and watched the dash kite. Sharma ji जब अपने roof पे he was walking, so why did he stop walking? As he was watching the kite. And which kite he was watching? The black kite. Okay, so here we will write BLACK, black kite. Is that clear? Now coming to the third, that is the last sentence. So the last sentence is the children became good at flying dash. So जो बच्चे थे, जो children थे, वो किस चीज में बहुत अच्छे हो गए थे flying करने में? Kite. Okay, flying kites. So here we will write KITES, kites. Is that clear? So I hope all you all have understood the second exercise also. Once again I am repeating. Fill in the blanks. Number 1 is Hasmina and Saif lived in dash apartments. The answer is Ajanta Apartments, and the spelling is AJANTA, Ajanta. Coming to the next, second is Sharma ji stopped walking and watched the dash kite. Answer is black, and the spelling is BLACK, black. Coming to the third, the children became good at flying dash. Answer is kites, and the spelling is KITES, kites. So I hope these 2 exercises are clear to you all, children, with the story also, as I have explained it to you. And now next 2 exercises we will be doing in our part 2 video. So after completing this work, children, please switch on to my part 2 video. Okay. So till my next video. Bye.